Hi, my name is Taline. In this presentation, I will be talking about global warming in the Middle East. 3% of the population in the Middle East is affected by a 1 meter rise in sea level. In the UAE, the rising sea level can harm groundwater, unsafe food produce, and soil. Global warming is also causing increase of population to Bandar Mashar, Iran, Doha, Qatar, and Dhahran, Saudi Arabia. The more people we have, the more global warming there is. This is because the chances of greenhouse gases being released to more and more will increase as our population grows. Carbon dioxide is released through factories, cars, airplanes, etc. The more people we have, the more factories, cars, planes, etc. we will have, which will lead to more greenhouse gas emissions, therefore allowing global warming to continue. One of the main causes of global warming are greenhouse gases. What are greenhouse gases? Well, greenhouse gases are gases that include of carbon dioxide, methane, along with others. The greenhouse effect is the process of greenhouse gases trapping heat that the sun provides into our atmosphere. A Swedish person called Svante Arrhenius was a scientist that was the first to claim that fossil fuel combustion might, after all, result in increasing global warming. He made a relationship between atmospheric carbon dioxide and temperature. Svante discovered that the ordinary temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, causing absorption capacity of water vapor and carbon dioxide. This basically is the natural greenhouse effect. He said a doubling of CO2 concentration would lead to a 5 Celsius temperature rise. Him and the person called Thomas Chamberlain found out that human activities can warm the earth by adding carbon dioxide to the environment, but it was not confirmable until 1987. One of the issues that global warming is causing is that it is allowing sea levels to rise. The image that is being shown is an illustration of sea levels rising over the years. As you can see, in 1880, the rate of rise was below 1. In 1990, the rate of rise was on 1. Then it decreased by a lot. In 1920, the rate of rise increased dramatically, where it then went back to decreasing in 1940. 1960, it increased. 1980, it still increased until 2000 and so on. Not only global warming is causing the rise of sea levels, it is also causing spray products such as deodorants, perfume, hairspray, detergents, repellents, etc. So we need to minimize the usage of spray products. We cannot completely stop global warming, although we can decrease it. There are people and organizations that are already helping, although you can help as well. You can help by decreasing the amount of carbon dioxide that you use. You can reduce, reuse, recycle, use less hot water, save energy, drive less, and use a bike. Also, you can avoid high gas prices and carbon emissions. Eat fresh local foods for a healthy environment. Reduce waste. Turn off lights when you don't need it. Use clean fuel. Cover your pots while cooking. And be sure you're recycling every time. If you do these things, it means you're helping global warming. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it and that you will help global warming.